Hello everybody, in this tutorial I'll show you how to get the small solar panel in Astroneer. This is going to be useful for powering up your character or your base by using the solar energy. So to begin, first of all, go to the research tab and inside of the first section, scroll down to the fourth row where you'll see the small generator and scroll to the third position. Here is the small solar and you'll need 300 bytes to unlock it. So just go ahead and gather enough bytes to unlock it. And also we'll need 1 copper, and copper can be made from malachite, which can be found on the starting planet inside of mountains, or on Kalidor, where it can be found inside of caves. And once you've found malachite and mined it, you can go ahead and put it inside of a smelting furnace to get copper. And once you have copper in your inventory, just go to this small crafting tab and just search the small solar panel recipe and then just click the green button to craft it. And this is pretty much all. How to get it. Make sure to like and subscribe if you found this helpful, and see you in the next one.